man. I don't know where you're going. There. It's one extreme to the fucking other, isn't it, this job? Just wait, man. You sausage, wait until your light's on. Green man, green man. Green cross code and all that. Green cross code. Yes, green cross. I can't see it. Green cross code and all that shite.
Let me see. At the weekend it was the longest day, so it's...
Yeah, I know.
It's in a minute tonight, and then...
I think that's why the years go quick.
21st.
21st.
And then 24th, I think it was yesterday.
There's 26 today.
There was one day.
Yeah, it's bad, man. People just did a bloody look crossing the road. Do you know what? It doesn't look any different, does it?
Any different. I mean, they don't because
Come on then, you sausage. What are you looking at me for? Give me a funny look as if to say like...
You can message us on WhatsApp now. Would you believe it? On 033 318 numbers 033 31826.
Love the wine as I do. She sounds like a bit of an old soap, doesn't she? She sounds like she'd probably drink wine from a bucket every night from like care. Bit of a lush.
Next it's a dangerous style. Rosé slips down in a different way to red and white. I developed a theory of creamy.
Look at these friggin' sausages here, eh? Bloody hell's bells. Park where the hell they want. Christ almighty. Hell's bells and buckets and spades. Mad on Monday when the trains were off. Have a good day. What's left? I know. Oh, nice one. I know everybody gets confused.
Oh, it's terrible. Well, I don't drive anymore.
Parking there so anybody can get past. Yeah? Bunch of sausages, that's what they are.
That is so sad. We will bring you the results, the news as it happens, but let's talk Brits. 23 in total across the two main draws, 14 in action today, and this is the most we've had represented since 1984, and there are a handful of them who are wildcards, but not all of them. Now this season there have been women in the top 50 for the first time in almost 40 years. British men have won 11 singles titles.
Decide what lane you're going into, man, you friggin' Cockasaurus.
14 between 1978 and 1999, which means, Russell, someone or something is doing something well or right to have this success this year.
Things are moving in the right direction. There are 7 British men in the top 200, 7 British women in the top 200, but we are still...
Dougie, what a sausage! It's on green, man. Bloody hell! What's going on?